National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:15 a.m. At 10:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Warrenville to Sheridan, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Aurora Airport in Sugar Grove gusted to 60 miles per hour with these storms. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Cicero, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Romeoville, Plainfield, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, and Englewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm